Hi and welcome back to Life with Mama Boo. Today we have another unboxing video and this time it's for my Island Elephant luggage set. I'm excited to share this kasi the reason why I got a new luggage, a smaller version, this is just a check-in bag, is for me to, since tumatanda na tayo, easily bring my things with me pag mga domestic lang or anywhere I go. I'm very excited and I can't wait to share this with you. So this is a sulit buy. This is actually one of my most affordable buys sa Shopee. So I'm going to share the link below. So let's open. So dito ko na lang siya i-open. I will just stand here so that it will be easier for all of us. And let's check. So this is available in I think 3 different sizes. And I will just share pictures here and sizes below. And the one that I got is the smallest one. For the longest time, for decades, I've been using backpack. Dati nagmaleta ako kasi it's very parang troublesome na, lalo na pag mga domestic na you can just easily bring your backpack, instead magto-trolley ka. But I realized when I traveled to Boracay last year, na mabigat na masyado yung backpack. And it's time to accept that we need comfort and convenience at this age and time. So this will be used carefully, and of course, I am going to handle this gently kasi nga check-in luggage lang siya. Hindi siya yung sa loob na itatapon na, I'm sorry, not check-in luggage, carry-on, I'm sorry. So this is just a carry-on, the smallest one, this is just a carry-on luggage. And I'm sure that I will be able to take care of this kasi katabi ko or malapit sa akin. Hindi siya yung ipapasok sa airport tapos itatapon-tapon lang. I was planning to buy a good quality na luggage, yung mga nasa 5,000 plus and above. But I realized that since nga carry-on lang siya, I might as well buy cheaper, more affordable ones, and also maganda yung review. So this is an Island Elephant na luggage at maganda yung pagka-package niya. Nabuksan ko na siya kaya hindi na siya completely intact. So it's like this. So this is available in different colors. The one that I got is the white one. They have an entire collection ni luggage. Meron pa siya doon yung mga for electronic naman na or mga luggages na merong packets specific for electronics. So it will really depend on what you need. And as I've mentioned, this is available in different sizes. And the one that I got is the carry-on, not the check-in, the carry-on. So, let's open. Ang matagal ko tong pinag-isipan kung alin. Kasi ang dami niyang magagandang colors. May pink. Gustong-gusto ko pa yung combination ng brown and white, which is this one. But in the end, I decided to get the classic white one. So, let's check. Ta-da! Medyo mabigat din siya. So, wala na siyang laman. Itabi muna natin yan. Let's remove the plastic. So, this is how it looks like. So, meron siya dyang feet. And then, meron din siyang hook para if in case you will be needing something, let's say yung water bottle mo or plastic habang nasa airport or kung saan ka mang terminal, so you will be able to use this. So double purpose siya, feet and also hook. And this is how it looks like. Ta-da! This may not be the cheapest na luggage sa Shopee or anything na online, but this is one of the most affordable na luggages and also best reviewed nung mga bumili. And sturdy din siya. This just cost 1,000 plus. At may kinuha pa ako. It's inside. Very smooth yung kanyang gulong. Yan. Very smooth. And then, meron siya ditong handle as usual na may mga ridges. Ay, hindi ridges. May nakalagay Island Elephant. And, meron siyang lock. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano siya i-change, but we will check that later. And here, meron siyang protection sa corner. Nasa top lang. And, yan. All white lang. As I've mentioned, this is available in different colors. Doon ako isa sa nahirapan aside from the design because meron silang iba't ibang design. Meron yung may pocket dito sa loob, which is more convenient. At yung iba meron ding lalagyan ng tubig dito. So, what I need is cute, aesthetic, and also classic lang na luggage. And I'm also looking for na yung square. Actually, kinonsider ko din yung tela kasi parang maganda yung tela na luggage. But then, again, this is for just carry on. Or minsan sa loob lang ng kotse. So, I'm planning to just use this so that I can easily bring my things. Kasi nga, mabigat na masyado pag backpack. Hindi na natin nakakaya yung bigat. I have the devices, I have the toiletries, clothes, shoes, trolley na tayo. Bumalik na tayo sa trolley. Si backpack, limutin na muna natin. I am very excited to use this. Hindi siya white na white, para siyang cream. Very light lang na cream. So, handle, and then retractable na handle. Very good. Yan. So, dito siya. So, yan. Dati ang mamahal pa ng mga luggages. You can buy minimum siguro nasa 5,000. Ngayon, 1,000 plus. Nice. Yan. So, isara muna natin. And let's open kung ano yung nasa loob. Tada! May surprise dito. Ito yung isa ko sa binili kasi you have an option to just get this. Yan. So, I also got this one. I forgot kung anong tawag dyan. So, you have an option to just buy this and also to get this. So, mamaya ipapakita ko. I'm very excited na magagamit na natin to. Mamaya na to. Tabi muna natin yan. So, we will start yung laman nito. So, it's just the typical luggage. Sorry kung nag-wobble yung table. So, it's like this. Yan. And, let's check. So, we have here yung lalagyan mo ng mga malalaking damit, shoes, because we have the typical na garter or na lock. And we also have your zipper so that you can easily, nakalak pa siya. Ayun. So, we have here compartment so that we can separated by zipper. So, zippered na like this, barrier. So that we can keep, let's say, dirty clothes or shoes inside during travel. So, if hindi mo naman siya gagamitin, you can just close this up. And then, you can put all of your heavy or big clothes or items here. And here naman, this is the other compartment. So, meron tayo ditong tag na may QR code. And this is just the logo. And ito yung isa ko sa binili. 8 gray din yung kinuha ko. So that mapoprotect yung wheels. So, this is a separate item. At maganda siya kasi 8 na. 8 ba to? Oo nga, 8. Akala ko 4 lang. So, 8 siya. 8. So, I have a complete set so that I can protect at hindi to masyado madumi. So, pag balik mo, I always clean my luggages, my bags, pag uwi from travel or kung saan man ko pumunta. Ito, malalabhan ko siya, mahugasan ko siya, and then I can just wipe this easily. Meron din silang free na binigay. Is this free sticker? Yan, sticker. Free na sticker. And, yan. This is my concern. How to change the lock. So, as you can see, lahat ng may logo, may ganito pa siya, how to, lahat may nakalagay na Island Elephant. So, hindi lang siya parang generic na brand. So, very nice. And, meron din siyang ganito. That's why I was wondering, ano kaya to? Yung name tag for the luggage. But I don't usually use this kasi nandun yung personal information mo. But good thing na meron siyang ganyan aside from the sticker. And what's this? This is just scented. Tapos may nakalagay din, Island Elephant Sachet. So, I am loving this brand. Kasi ang dami nilang nilagay ng mga extra. Mga small details matter. Removes odor and retains fragrance. And we also have here yung smaller compartment at wala siya nito nung bakal, which is better. So, dito naman usually nilalagay ko yung mga delicates, yung mga importanteng gamit, mga hair tools, toiletries, jewelry, so that it will be protected. So, this is how our luggage looks like. Just the typical, kasi nga, I just got the square na basic style. Yan, as you can see, very smooth din yung mga zippers. I-close muna natin. Wala lang siya nung dito na, yung iba kasi, yung isa ko kasing luggage, meron siyang parang isa pa dito na nag-meet sila so that I can put padlock. So, area for improvement. So, this is again how it looks like. Yan. And let's go to the other one. So, this will be, as I mentioned, just a carry-on. Let me just highlight that. Kasi, dun ako nagdalawang isip. I have a budget to buy a good quality branded na luggage. But, somehow tinipid ko sarili ko. And, I want to try yung mga affordable ones. Kasi nga, for carry-on lang naman. So, it's either nasa loob lang siya ng eroplano, sa taas, nasa kotse, or nasa bus. As long as hindi siya itatapon-tapon, at hindi mo naman siya ira-rough road. So, I think this will last me very long. Very, very long. At I also like the color. I love the color white. I didn't regret na ito yung kinuha ko. I almost got the white and brown combination. And also the pink one, meron ding silver, meron ding black. Naisip ko na most of the items here will not be accessible during travel. Kasi let's say nasa estribo siya ng bus, or nasa taas siya nung what you call this, nung eroplano, nasa overhead, or nasa likod ng kotse. I need to access my personal items, let's say iPad, etc. So, that's why I decided to get this one. So, this is a smaller version at kasya dito yung iPad 10 Gen ko. I'm not sure if kasya yung laptop. We will try later. So, you can get this in different color. Hindi kailangan matchy-matchy na ito white, ito din white. You can get a different one. Kasi again nga, you can buy this separate. Parang may discount lang siya na konti if you're going to buy this na magkatabi. Very similar yung style niya at maliit lang siya na version. At bakit siya may garter dito? It's because I can easily put this here. So, secured siya somehow. Oh, kailangan niya ng improvement na dapat is nag-fit siya. So, nag-wobble siya somehow. Pero pag nakaganyan siguro, hindi naman siya gagalaw. Pero pag ganyan, hindi ganun ka snug fit yung garter. Siguro kung ang ginawa nila is parang clasp, yung parang instead na garter, kasi this is more convenient eh. You can easily remove and put it back. Pero kung clasp siguro, yung ganyan, na tela, kahit yung may naka-velcro lang, it will be more secure. So, pero pag ganyan, hindi naman siya nag-wobble. That's the other concern. So, area for improvement ni Island Elephant. So, put a velcro instead, na parang naka-lock lang siya. So, hindi siya ganun ng ganun. And let me show you what's inside. Kasi hindi ko pa rin nakikita yung sa loob nito. So, this is rubberized. Na good quality din. So, I will be putting my iPad, charger, jewelry, mga importanteng gamit dito. Just very similar except nung wala siya nung garter. Meron din tayo ditong mesh na naka-secured pa. Yan, hindi pa siya open. So you can put here, let's say, your ticket, etc. So this is a very good buy for parang 2-in-1 na luggage. And hindi ko pa siya natatry gamitin talaga. So probably in the future we will review this kung tumagal ba siya, ano yung naging problema aside nga dito. Ngayon yung nakikita ko is this one, but then again hindi ko naman siya binili para ipatong ko siya all the time. But yes, ipapatong ko siya during to and fro, but during travel nasa akin to para I can easily access the things that I need during my flight, my transport, etc. So this is very nice. Parang ang style pa niya is very vintage. 1980s, 60s, 70s na mga maleta. Kaso straight lang sila. So, So, that's it. Thank you so much for watching Mama Boo. I'll see you next time. Bye!